Detox water is simply water infused with fresh fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Unlike juice, the ingredients are soaked in water instead of blended, so the drink contains very few calories while adding a refreshing flavor. Your body already has natural detoxification organs: the liver, the kidneys, the lungs, the skin, the digestive system. Drinking detox water doesn't replace these organs, but staying well hydrated helps them function properly. Benefits of detox water. Some possible benefits include: encourages better hydration, may help you drink more water if you don't enjoy plain water, supports healthy digestion, can replace sugary drinks, provides a refreshing taste with very few calories, may help support weight management efforts by reducing intake of high-calorie beverages. Remember, detox water is not a miracle cure. It works best as part of a healthy lifestyle. Best ingredients. Here are some popular combinations.
Lemons mint.
Refreshing and great for hot weather.
Cucumber mint.
Cooling and hydrating. Orange plus strawberry. Naturally sweet and rich in vitamin C. Apple plus cinnamon. Perfect for a light, naturally flavored drink. Ginger plus lemon. Popular for a warm, spicy flavor. Blueberries plus lemon. Colorful and refreshing. Always wash fruits and herbs thoroughly before using them. Step-by-step detox water recipes. Recipe 1. Lemon mint detox water. Ingredients: 1 lemon, fresh mint leaves, 1 liter cold water. Directions: slice the lemon, add mint leaves, pour in water, and refrigerate for 2 to 4 hours. Recipe 2. Cucumber lemon water. Ingredients: half cucumber, half lemon,
Mint leaves.
water. Slice everything thinly and let it infuse in the refrigerator. Recipe 3. Berry detox water. Ingredients: strawberries, blueberries, lemon slices, water. Let it chill for several hours before serving. Common mistakes. Avoid these mistakes: adding too much fruit, leaving ingredients in water for more than 24 hours, using old or spoiled fruit, adding too much sugar, thinking detox water replaces healthy eating. For the best taste, drink it within 24 hours. Frequently asked questions. Can I drink detox water every day? Yes, as long as the ingredients are fresh and you don't have allergies or medical restrictions. Can detox water help with weight loss? It may help if it replaces sugary beverages, but weight loss depends on your overall diet and activity. How much should I drink? Aim for your daily water needs, which vary depending on age, body size, activity level, and climate. Conclusion: detox water is an easy, refreshing way to make drinking water more enjoyable. While it won't magically cleanse your body, staying hydrated is an important part of overall health. Try different fruit and herb combinations to find your favorite, and pair detox water with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and good sleep. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.